Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about installing Pillow to work with our Jupyter notebooks in Math 9. Um, Pillow is used for image processing, so in this particular part of the course it's going to be very important for us. So all I've done here is just gone to pillow.readthedocs.io. I will include this link in the description of the YouTube video, so you can just follow this link and get to this page. And we can see here for installation there's a number of warnings, mostly that Pillow and Pill cannot coexist in the same environment. Hello everyone, I just wanted to jump in and do a quick voiceover to explain what the difference between Pillow and Pill, P-I-L, is. This is the potential to be a little confusing, especially when later in the video we'll see that when we do our import statement we'll say from PIL import blah blah blah, and you might be wondering, okay, but we installed this as Pillow, so where is PIL coming from? And originally PIL, which stands for Python Imaging Library, this was the default library used for image processing in Python, so anything you wanted to do with images, Pillow was your go-to. But support for Pill ended in 2011, so what ended up happening is that the Pillow project forked Pill, P-I-L, and now serves as a replacement for it. So Pillow is the supported version, and it's built on top of PIL. So if you're wondering why are these the two different kind of terms, that's where it comes from. So I'll pass it back to the original video now. So if for whatever reason you already have Pill installed, you'll need to uninstall it first. But assuming that that's not the case, let's go over to Basic Installation and scroll down to the Mac OS installation. Just because I am on a Mac computer right now, if you are on Windows or Linux, you would scroll to the respective sections. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to click here to copy this code. Now what I'm going to do is I already have a terminal open where I'm in the Math 9 environment, and I'm just going to paste the code and press return. So all we're going to do now is wait. Great, looks like everything was successfully installed. As a quick test, what we can do is I'm going to open a Jupyter notebook. And let's just say I make a brand new notebook. And we can just, as a test, say from PIL import image. This is going to be pretty important for this portion of the course. I'm going to press return, and I can see there's no error, so it looks like everything was installed okay. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.